Ano gusto niyo, ma'am?
Request
Basahin ko pa to?
Yes, yung patient, sir. I know. Hindi ko na rin alam bakit ganito na.
So may assisting physician. Ay, gusto lang na pala. May facility.
Kinlose nila, sir. Kinlose.
Ayaw mo talaga
Design siya.
yung ambulance mo. Deadline.
Design siya on her own. When you come in, mag-request cameras.
Ano na?
So, kailan general yung cameras?
Gusto mo? Palapitin ang mga
Palapitin.
media?
Apo.
Sige.
Lapit na. Go na. Go, go, go. Okay, double time.
Ding! I-release mo, media.
Release. Go. Go na, sabi ni General. Lapit na. Si General lang nagsabi.
Ay, ayaw ng hospital.
Hindi
Ayaw ng hospital.
Hanggang dyan lang naman yung camera eh.
Ayaw ng hospital.
Hanggang dyan na sa inyo. Huwag nyo lang i-block yung side ng camera.
Alis na lang dito ang mga kwan para makita
Hanggang
na
lang para makita ng camera.
Sige, ma'am.
Clear natin ito. Para makita ng camera.
Veterans yan. We're going to bring it to our veterans. Considering that as requested, attorneys Veronica Lopez has been examined by the physicians and cleared to the Medical Center, Quezon City. You are directed to transfer Attorney Lopez to the Veterans Memorial Medical Center, Quezon City. Ma'am, si VP, and anybody of your choice. May text tayo galing kay SILG Limulia. Ma'am, may sabi ni SILG Limulia.
Yan din ang sabi niyo, tapos kinuha niyo ako kanina, dadalhin niyo ako sa correctional.
Ma'am, hindi ma'am, tapos na yun.
Totoo.
To General Nick Torre from SILG Limulia, transfer Attorney Zuleika Lopez to Veterans Memorial Center. Dear General Torre, as verbally agreed upon, the transfer of Attorney Lopez to the Veterans Memorial Hospital shall be complied with respect to the House directive to transfer her. Please accord all security measures necessary to ensure her safety. Furthermore, please allow the untethered access of her personal physicians during her confinement. The attorney will also be afforded full visiting rights of the following people: Senator Bato de la Rosa, Senator Amy Marcos, Vice President Sara Duterte. Please be advised that all pertinent hospital safety guidelines should be followed, as well as hospital policies on visitation practices. For strict and immediate compliance, signed, SILG, John V. Cremulio. Ma'am, assurance yun.
I don't believe in your assurance anymore. That's what they told me in the house. And look where it brought me.
Dito, maraming witness, like, maraming witness. Dito naman mo sasakay ka naman mo sa sasakyan ni VP?
Yeah, pumayag sila kay Senator Bato.
Ma'am, sasakay po
Pumayag
kayo.
sila sa akin.
Sasakay po kayo sa sasakyan ni VP. Kasama niyo po si VP sa sasakyan. She will be transporting you to Veterans Memorial Center.
Pumayag sila.
Hindi ka naman iiwanan ni VP, ma'am.
Sure yan, Nick, di ba?
Yes, sir.
Promise.
Of course, sir. Nandiyan naman si VP. They are just in one car. Okay, ma'am?
Padaan mo na, padaan na. Bibigyan nyo ng magandang ano dyan. Padaan na, padaan na. Ay, ala na yun dyan.
VP, baka ma'am, paano ma'am? Paano?
Dito kami sa likod mo, ma. Huwag kang mag-alala.
Muna ako ha. Next.
Salamat
Wala yun. Dito. Bangin yun ay. Nakalhook na. Thank you.